If your ganache is always too runny, too stiff, or just not working for sculpted cakes, let me show you the chocolate ganache recipe that gives me a smooth coverage, sharp edges, and the perfect finish every time. So keep watching to the end of this video and your cake will look exactly like mine. What's good, Gracie's Cakers? It's your girl Ronnie back again with another video. I've gotten a lot of requests on my chocolate ganache recipe, so in this video it's going to be short, simple, and sweet, and I'm just going to get to it. First things first, you will need a scale. I don't care what anyone says, a scale gives accuracy, precision. I can't preach that loud enough. You need a scale for the perfect chocolate ganache. Okay, so for this cake, I am working with a white finish cake, so I'm going to use white chocolate ganache. For a white chocolate ganache, you will need a 1:3 ratio, basically meaning the white chocolate amount is going to be 300 grams, and then for the whipping cream, it's going to be 100 milliliters. Now, if you're working on a gravity defying cake, I would say to take about 15 to 20 milliliters of whipping cream out of this mixture, because once you mix the chocolate ganache and you basically use it on your cake, it sets a little bit harder. Once you're done measuring out your whipping cream and your chocolate, you will be heating up your ganache in the microwave for about 30 seconds. So 30-second intervals, I'll do it maybe about twice at 30 seconds and then the last time at 10 seconds. It depends on how big the chocolate pieces are. And once we've mixed everything together, make sure all of the chocolate pieces are done. Then we will cover the entire thing with saran wrap and then set it on the side at room temperature. Do not put it in the refrigerator, it will get too hard and then you're gonna be right back here again. That's about it. I hope this helps. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.